This is Jaden. She's a green cheek conure. Here's Mr. Ozawi. Hi, Mr. Ozawi. You are so cute. So cute. And here's Charlie, the buddies. Hi, Ozawi. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Who's a good boy? Are you a good boy? You're not sure. Let's see. Here's Miss Chica. Ozawi. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Can you give me a kiss? Give me a kiss? Okay, and here's Miss Javelin, Bob's mom. There is Mr. Bob. He's so cute. Hi, baby. And here's Mr. Billy. He's kind of our special needs bird. The previous owner gave him a really bad wing clip, so he isn't able to fly. Oh, Zowie! What you doing, buddy? Miss Jaden again. She's my tip. She's always on my shoulder. Here's Elvis, Bob's daddy. And then we have Miss Polly, who is a green pallid Quaker. Oh, the last four that I showed you were cockatiels. Miss Polly's a Quaker. Hi, Polly. Hi, Polly. She's pretty new. We got her to be a mate with our Benjamin. Who's a good boy? Are you a good boy? Is Benjamin a good boy? Yeah, Ozawi's talking now. Hi, Benjamin. Who's a good boy? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. And of course, Ozawi said peekaboo while I was over here. Jaden talks too, but it's very different. Who's a good girl? Is Jaden a good girl? Are you going to talk for me? Are you going to tell me all about Benjamin? 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 Do you love Benjamin? Can you say something for me? Of course not. Want to eat your camera? She didn't take a bite of it. You're silly. You're silly. Oh, Zowie, who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Charlie doesn't talk. He's pretty young yet. Ozawi talks, and Benjamin talks, and Jaden talks. And then down here, we have an egg that is pipping. It's peeping and pipping, and will probably hatch very soon. Where is the, yes, there, oops, let's see, that little dot there is an external pip, and you can hear baby peeping. Let's see. Very faint. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm not sure where the microphone is on the other side. But this baby is probably going to be out of the shell hopefully within the next day. Sometimes it goes really quick. Sometimes it takes him a day. Oh, he's got a couple of pips here. Oh, let me see. Definitely the one. Is there another one? No. Okay, good. So cute. I will take you. Or do I need to take you? No, you could probably. Oops, where did I put my? I have an egg. Sorry, the house is a mess. Okay, we'll see. Oops. Hello. Yeah, you can see the baby in there. That the dark spot is his eye, and that other kind of dark orange spot is his beak. So stinking cute. It's so cool. The kids are always excited about babies. that's how we ended up with 10. We kept the last baby Bob. Sorry. But the humidity and temperature are very important for hatching. I love that the kids are learning about these things. Mom and Dad were not keeping the right temperature or humidity, so Bob was the only one of 6 to hatch out of his clutch. The next, hi Miss Chica. Chica and Billy lay infertile eggs a couple of times a year. But Miss Javelin, Miss Javelin and Elvis are pretty new parents, so we were lucky to have this boy hatch. Hi, Chica. What do you need, lady? You want to come out? You can come out in a minute. Yeah, we like to have what we call cocktail parties, where we let all the teals out. You can't let all the birds out at the same time. Basically, we cannot let Benjamin out with any of the teals. The Indian ringnecks are good with the cockatiels, and the Indian ringnecks and Benjamin can be out at the same time. We're still transitioning. Miss Polly and Jaden love each other. Jaden and Benjamin love each other, but Polly and Benjamin don't really like each other at the moment. We're hoping to change that so that we can have some Quaker babies next year. They'll clean each other out so the kids look, oh, yep. And Polly and Charlie aren't the best flyers right now, so those two cannot be out of the cage if I'm not in the room, because the dogs might get them. You're so handsome, Ozawi. Look at your ring. Oh, you're so handsome. I think he's lost some of the red that was in it. The red was on the side. Oh my goodness, you're loud. You're so loud. I know everybody wants out. Hey, be nice. Be nice. Can you say something? Give me a kiss? Give me a kiss? Who wants to give me a kiss? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Well, he is not going to say anything to the camera. Hi, Charlie. Okay, so there's a tour of our birds. Bob, so handsome. He's starting to vocalize.